Common idioms for everyday conversations. Volume 3. All ears, fully listening. I'm all ears, tell me your story. Sit tight, wait patiently. Sit tight while I get more info. Shake a leg, hurry up. Shake a leg or we'll be late. On the ball, alert and quick. She's always on the ball at work. Tie the knot, get married. They will tie the knot next month. On cloud 9, very happy. She's on cloud 9 after her win. Sick as a dog, very sick. He's sick as a dog with the flu. When pigs fly, never happen. He'll clean his room when pigs fly. Bite the dust, fail or die. The old car finally bit the dust. Hit the books, study hard. I need to hit the books for my test. Time is money, time is valuable. Work faster, time is money. Hang in there, don't give up. Hang in there, things will improve. Rise and shine, wake up energetically. Rise and shine, it's a new day. See eye to eye, agree completely. We see eye to eye on this plan. Be in hot water, be in trouble. She's in hot water for being late. Tongue in cheek, meant as a joke. Her comment was tongue in cheek. Spill the beans, reveal a secret. He spilled the beans about the party. Kick the bucket, die. The old dog kicked the bucket peacefully. Tick someone off, annoy someone. Loud noises tick me off. The lion's share, the biggest part. She got the lion's share of the prize. Piece of the pie. A share of something. He wants a piece of the pie too. Your name is Mud. Bad reputation. After the fight, her name is Mud. Hold your horses, be patient. Hold your horses, it's not ready yet. Shoot the breeze, chat casually. We shot the breeze for hours, out of the woods, out of danger. The patient is out of the woods now. 2 peas in a pod, very alike. They're like 2 peas in a pod. Fall on deaf ears, be ignored. His advice fell on deaf ears. Run like the wind, run very fast. She runs like the wind in races. Make a beeline for, go straight to. He made a beeline for the snacks, down for the count, unable to continue. She's down for the count with the flu. Put your foot down, be firm. She put her foot down about the rules. Paint the town red, celebrate. Let's paint the town red tonight. Burn bridges. End a relationship badly. He burned bridges by quitting angrily. Jump the gun, start too early. Don't jump the gun before we're ready. Pass the buck, shift responsibility. Stop passing the buck and fix it. Cut the cheese, pass gas. The baby cut the cheese, and we laughed. Break the bank, spend too much money. The new phone won't break the bank. Face the music, accept consequences. He must face the music for his mistake. Walk on eggshells, be very careful. We walk on eggshells around the boss. Fish out of water. Feel out of place. She felt like a fish out of water at the event. Do a 180. completely changed direction or opinion. He did a 180 and stayed home instead. Keep your chin up, stay positive. Keep your chin up during hard times. Go the extra mile, do more than expected. He always goes the extra mile at work. Caught red-handed. Caught doing wrong. She was caught red-handed stealing, dropping lies, many failing or falling. People are dropping like flies with the flu. Off the beaten path, unusual place. We found a cafe off the beaten path. Wouldn't hurt a fly, very gentle. He's so kind he wouldn't hurt a fly. Have a bone to pick, have a complaint. I have a bone to pick with you.